I'd want to go around and tag or assign the different values so I can sort this in worksheet. The tool kind of looks like a white piece of paper, and you'll notice 4 fields: building, floor, department, and person. And I also have alias 1, 2, and 3, so you can use any of these. Let me use department, so I'll say, tall meeting space, and I can select my objects and say this group first and assign, and I can go right back into that same tool. And I would repeat this for each unique group. What did I have? A sales team. I'll select this area over here. So in the end, I'll send this over to worksheet in just a second, and we'll see all of this sorted out. So let's take this one more area. This was my low seating, and we'll select our objects and grab all of those. Okay, now I don't believe every single part has an assignment in here, but a lot of them do. So let me take that and save it and send it to worksheet. I can look for the worksheet tool. It's this little spreadsheet that I can just send it over to worksheet, and we'll go ahead and count everything. Worksheet basically is going to populate our list of all of our products in this drawing, and when I open this up in the worksheet file, I'll be able to look for the department column and then sort out my project to understand where all those products came from. So notice when I first opened up my example, I actually don't have all of my columns on, just a handful that come with the basic template. So I'll right-click on any header, look under columns, look under tagging, and here's department. This is just one way to turn that on. And then you'll notice I have a few things that don't have department assigned in them. Just for time, I only did a few. So let me sort by that column. I can click on that once to sort all the things that are not tagged, and then click on it again to sort all of the things that do have a tag. So here are all of my items from that tall meeting space, my sales team, and my low seating area. So there's a lot of finishes I have not selected yet. Some of them already have green check marks. I can see some things are complete, but now I can see what I've got left to do. Sometimes when I'm sorting a project really quickly and I'm trying to understand, okay, how much are we spending in the sales team? How much are we spending in that low seating area? There's a lot of different combinations or ways I might want to sort this. So I might actually take this and use the multi-sort command. Rather than just sorting by just the one column, that was by clicking on that header, I could come in and sort by multiple. Maybe I want to sort by department, and I might want to sort by part number. Notice if I put department first, it's checked bold. That means when it's the first thing in the list, I can also put a subtotal in there. So I'll say OK, and then all of my items that have a department tag now have a subtotal telling me how much they are. I'm going to do one last thing. Again, I'm thinking big projects. I want to keep it sorted. I want to keep it really simple and easy. I'm going to do one last thing in the view menu. I'm going to go under rows, and I'm going to turn my products off. This sounds kind of crazy, but this was what I was going for. I wanted to see all the items I don't have tagged. That was a lot. My low seating area, about $12,000 list. My sales, $31,000, and my tall meeting space was $13,000. So what I did with that tool is I just told worksheet, just for a moment, turn the product lines off. Maybe I'm not working on my finishes or my counts at the moment. I just want a quick overview, high level view. When I want that back on, I go back up to view, rows, and products.